Students, see here at exam number 8.2 we will discuss and few questions are given on the board that and what the rest questions of exam number 8.2 that is for you and you must do. Okay students. So see in question number 1 I have took a question number 1 from exam number 8.2. So what say the question? The monthly salary of a teacher. A monthly salary of a teacher is rupees 12,800. Okay students. If his annual increment, if his annual means early increment is 3%, so 3% is whose of his salary 3%. Find his new salary after an year. It means after a year, what will be their actual salary that they are asking. So actual salary it means they are asking about amount. Simple. Sorry. What is principal? Principal, it means salary 12,800. His annual increment it means rate. What is rate? 3%. Time 1 year. Because question is asking about early. Okay students, early it means 1 year. So what will be their actual amount? Actual amount it means their salary after 1 year. What? Simple students. What we have to do? We will do first of all find out SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. We have to find out SI. It is simple interest. Then we will to find the amount we will do principal plus interest. Then after that salary will be get. What is principal? 12,800. Rate is there 3 times there 1 year. Why? 100. 0 0 0 0 cancel. What is the SI? Eight 3 is 24. Remains 2, 12 3 is 36 or 2, 38. It means simple interest is there 384 early. Okay students. So what will be the amount? Amount is equal to principal plus interest. So amount is equal to amount means salary after 1 year you get 12,800 plus 384. So students, what will be the answer? Last 84, 8 3 11 remains 1, 12 1 13. It means after 1 year what will be his actual salary? Actual salary will be 13,184 because at the rate of 3%. What will be interest after 1 year? It will get 384. So what will be their actual salary? 13,184. So students, now we will discuss about question number 3. In question number 2, it is for you and you must do. Try it again. See, in a public examination, in question number 3, it says in a public examination 90% students. Okay, and the examinations were conducted in which of the 90% students passed. Okay, so 90% students, what is the total students? We don't know. And 8800 students failed. How many students failed? 8800. How many students appeared? How many students appeared in this total number of students? And how many passed? They are asking about how many students passed. They are given about in percentage and they are asking about number of students. So what we will do? Total number of appeared students or mention total number of students. Note down. Let total number of students be X. Okay. Then 90% of them passed. You write passed students 90%. 90%. It means 90 by 100 into x. Cancel. 9 by 10x. What is past students? 9 by 10x. Now students, 8800 students failed. So we will discuss what failed students. Failed students, it means total students minus past students. Total students, what is their total students? X minus what is past students? 9 by 10x. So 9 by 10x. What will be the value? It will take LCM. It will be 10x minus 9x by 10. It means x by 10. Okay, students? Or 8800. Okay, because it is given in number of students. It is given already number of students. So, if either we can write x by 10 or we can write 8800. Okay, students? Then what will be the value of x? So, to find the value of x, can you write x by 10 is equal to 8800? Okay, find the value of x. So, x is equal to, this will transpose to that side, 8800 into 10. The value of x is equal to 88,000. It means 88,000. X is equal to 88,000. It means the total number of students is equal to 88,000. Okay, students? Total number of students is equal to 88,000. Fail is equal to 88,000 minus 8800. 8800 already given. 8800 already failed students given. So we will find out past students. So past students is equal to total number of students minus failed students. Resultant 00 10 minus 8 2 8 minus 0 0 10 minus 8 2 8 minus 8 0 or 8. What will be the past students? Total number of students, this one 88,000. Past students, total students minus failed students. Okay, students, resultant sorry students, see, it will be 79. Again and again I am getting confused. That's why I have checked here. So, what is the total number of past students? 79,200. So, students, it's all about the question number 3. See in question number 7. What is the question given in between? That's it's your turn to do. See the question number 7. Divya borrows a sum of rupees 1200 at the rate of 5% per annum. Divya borrows a sum of rupees 1200. It means principal amount is 1200 at the rate of 5%. What is the rate? 5%. So we can mention over here Divya borrows 1200. 1200 it means it will be the principal. It is principal. What said to? What is rate? Rate is equal to 5% per annum. It means time is equal to early. How many years? Now it is asking how many years does she pay back the money if the interest paid is rupees 120. Now if she spent interest 120 rupees, then how many years she will took to pay their principal amount? So time is equal to what? And interest. It means simple interest is equal to rupees 120. Okay, students. Simple. We will know. We have to find time. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Okay, students. Now what we will do? SI is equal to 1200. Sorry. SI is equal to 120. P is equal to 1200. Rate is equal to 5%. Time we have to calculate by 100. We will find out time. This will move that side. So T is equal to 120 into 100 by 1200 into 5. Time is equal to 2 years. Questions? So it's all about exercise number 8.2, or we can say that it's all about the percentage chapters. Now this chapter is over, and what the questions is remaining, that it's humble request, kindly do it and share back to me what you have solved, where you have the problems. Kindly ask to me and send your notes also. Okay, students. Bye bye. Thank you.